बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। बायोलॉजी चैप्टर 19 बिहेवियर। आज हम इस चैप्टर के इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे। नंबर 1, biological rhythms that follow a 24-hour cycle are called circadian. Number 2, a rhythm that occurs more than once a day is ultradian. Number 3, human sleep-wake cycle is an example of circadian rhythm. Number 4, migration of birds during winter is an example of annual rhythm. Number 5, biological rhythms are controlled by internal biological clocks. Number 6, instincts are inborn behaviors. Number 7, fixed action patterns are associated with instinct. Number 8, which of the following is an instinctive behavior in birds? Nest building. 9, the stimulus that triggers a fixed action pattern is called releaser. 10, which of the following is not an instinctive response? Riding a bicycle. 11, learning is a permanent change in behavior due to experience. 12, a form of learning in which an animal learns to ignore a repeated harmless stimulus is habituation. 13, learning that occurs during a sensitive period and is irreversible is called imprinting. 14, who demonstrated imprinting in Gies? Lawrence. Learning based on reward and punishment is called operant conditioning. 16, classical conditioning was first demonstrated by Pavlov. 17, a dog salivating at the sound of a bell is an example of classical conditioning. 18, inside learning is commonly seen in mammals. Orientation is directional movement in response to stimulus. 20, movement toward or away from a stimulus is called taxis. 21, random movement of an organism in response to a stimulus is called kinesis. 22, movement of planaria toward light is an example of negative phototaxis. 23, earthworms showing increased movement in dry soil is an example of positive kinesis. 24, which type of orientation involves movement in a particular direction? Taxis. Which behavior involves learning to associate a neutral stimulus with a meaningful one? Classical conditioning.